Ready for America. Ready. Ready for America.
The man a little break now, man. 13 years under the prison program. Remember you did borrow that from yellow man. No disrespect, but you have it too long. So if you want war, give up for the fun. Make we give the place the recall showdown.
Man, if bad mind till your head me like jackpot, them ask you about Yellow Man, you say you are the king. You try complete with Bob Marley, say you have the most number one.
Uno member fi subscribe. Welcome again, viewers and subscribers, and big up Jamaica Action Nation. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Hit the like button, and you don't know the thing go already. We're gonna dive right into the music thing right now. So, as I played for you earlier, and you hear the little clip of Keep Rich. I take some jabs at Beenie Man. Now, Keep Rich had a lot to say about Beenie Man, right? And another thing, you hear Elephant Man. He might have a lot to say about Beenie Man too. So we're gonna talk about it, but before we do that, like me say, hit the like button, and you don't know, say you want to hit the notification bell so you never miss a post from Jamaica Extra. So me I say, so we're gonna get in it, and watch it now. We're not even gonna talk too long. Watch it now.
Man, now give the man a little break now, man. 13 years under the prison program. Remember you did borrow that from yellow man. No disrespect, but you have it too long. So if you want war, give up for the fun. Make we give the place the recall showdown. Ling would have love to see we shade the ground. Member sting only crossbones sting never done. Chances have been in this file when him a grow. Everywhere you go, you want try overthrow. True him never get invite to the show, man. Take it too hard, now I be a what a show. We never hear killer war for the king. And look how much heart this the general bring. Never see Shaggy bring a you to the thing, but me see Sean Paul all sign ching ching. How the place a quiet so? How the place a quiet so? Make we start a riot now. Make we start a riot now.
Yes, people, so there you have it. So Keep Rich, again, drop a little snippet. Seems like he might take some lyrical jabs at Beenie Man right there. So I don't know what to think about it. Keep Rich is like a fun artist. He have a lot of fun songs and funny music, but he's also very lyrical as well. So definitely, you know, one of them artists that we been doing it for some time as well, and you know, he might call up Beenie Man. I guess we don't know if they want to have a clash for Sting or whatever, but I don't really think Beenie Man is going to respond. Earlier in the clip where in the intro, you see me play, I said Beenie Man in the US. So thank God he can get back in visa, you know what I'm saying? So big up to Beenie Man. I know say I'm going to do some shows now in the US, and you know, if you get a chance for, you know, for go see him at one club or whatever, please go and go support the artists. Them artists I do it for a long time. So me I say, you don't know, so me is a Gaza fan, but I love music, so I support all music. So me I say, all music when it come to even dancehall music and reggae music. You don't know, so that a Jamaica #1 product we are shoot out to the world. So me I say, so support the artists them. You don't know. I don't know if Beenie Man again, like I say, I don't know if he's gonna respond to Keep Rich. Seem like he's just a fun lyrical war right now, but for right now it look like everybody want to attack Beenie Man. So we're getting at this Elephant Man clipper now where Elephant Man at this Beenie Man. So on the listen here and tell me what you think. Watch it now.
Man, if bad mind till your head me like jackpot, them ask you about Yellow Man, you say you are the king. You try complete with Bob Marley, say you have the most number one. You war with Killer from Killer coming in music until now to your bad mind the man and grudge the man. I'm just show the people them how bad mind this man is.
Yeah, no people. So seems like a lot of people have them opinion about Beenie Man. Now, Beenie Man is a great artist. Me can't lie. Man say him is a doctor. You understand what I say? And like me say, him there right now I do some tour, I do some show I should say in America. So, you know, if you can check him out, definitely go check him out. He might give you money's worth. And all me can hope say is just that we want to hear more lyrical stuff, you know what I mean? We don't want to hear too much of the cussing and the going back and forth. But we want to hear lyrical music, you know what I'm saying? We need to hear with all of the artists them have to step on a level, and then, you know, we can decide as, alright, how we win the war. So me I say. But me know what you think in the comment section below. And, you know, like me say, you don't know the thing go already. Till the next time, I'm out.
One more time. America reach again. One more time.